Hey guys, it's me, Ouija J here, and today... Wait, what game is this?
Shut up, Jay.
Wait, how did you get here?
I don't know, I just came.
Okay.
I hid in your hat, and then I came out, and then I'm here.
Oh, alright. Wait, what game is this? I forgot the name.
I think it's called, Don't Push the Booty Hole.
No, I think... Wait, I can't remember. I think it's called Don't Press the Button.
That's a lot of that. What the hell?
Oh.
It's your mom's house, Jay.
Nah, she dead. That's not my host.
Oh wow, I'm rich. I'm rich.
Gain that money.
Oh, I hate being slow. Tsunami incoming? Oh, get the hell up. Wait, is it playing the Nicki Minaj song? Okay, that's my sound.
No, that's my sound. That's where I use it to blow up people. What?
Did you even read that sound?
Yeah, of course it did.
Did y'all die? Aww.
Yeah, I died.
I'm gonna want. Maybe, I don't know. Is it here? I swear this is a dead end. I'll actually scream. Oh, it's not. Oh, never mind. I'm in a freaking dead end, I don't know where anybody is.
I'm real quick.
They freaking tricked me. They tricked me. This made me so hard.
I'm going back to the start. I give up.
I don't give up. I'm just still gonna look around. You know I'm gonna fail. Oh, wow, they're all dead ends. I failed. I'm such a boomer.
Wait, they stole Mario 64 music.
I won. I made it.
L.
It's not like I took like a whole entire minute just to get up here.
L my it.
Oh no, I fell off the balcony.
Yeah, that one was.
I got my guardian horse by me. You guys cannot stop me. I got my guardian. I just whooped her. She didn't even do anything. Hey, you guys better get off. You guys better get off. This is my tower. This is my tower. Excuse me,
I found the best strategy. Oh. Jump, come on.
This is my tower.
Why does everyone keep knocking me off?
How do you even get the players? Do you just have to like go near them and just whoop their ass?
Frick you, mate. Come on, let me up there. Rigged.
What are these noobs?
That was rigged.
Mary Noobness. Guardian horse, you cannot stop me. I'm choosing red because I love blood.
Hey, you know, I really don't care if you have your guardian.
I'm not gonna get eliminated.
Wait, you have.
It was blue.
Wait, you have
I
your.
choose blue this time because nobody would choose blue twice.
Ah.
Oh, I was wrong.
Okay, I'm going to be honest. I really don't care if you have your guardian horse. Zombie Halloween 2 bullshit. With that stupid guardian angel shit. I really don't care about that guardian angel shit.
Hi guys.
Ah.
Oh, never mind.
I did not see that coming.
It was like all the leaves got crushed and then somebody's just walking up the hill.
Still
Sorry, that's not very sanitary of you.
Oh, it's a speedrun. Alright, here we go.
Speedrun's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Like, they should have made it, like, harder, but, as I say, as I fall. As I freaking fall down and bust my ass. Oh, never mind, just falling into the void.
Made it.
I'm gonna make it 2 times.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make it 2 times!
Yeah, this is pretty easy.
No! What? Am I here? Oh no. Is this like Mario?
Wait, where am I? I can't see myself.
I see myself. I'm like right on the side of the screen. There you are. Hey, Jack.
Hi, what's going on?
RIP my SP. Oh. Hey, squad. What's up? You getting them kills, son? You getting them? I didn't know you could get off the paper. I go around. I can go on the wall. I freaking fell to my death. I was freaking like in the sky and I was like, wait, what the hell just happened? And I realized that I freaking just fell down.
Man, this game's broken as hell.
Yeah. Did I win? Oh, I almost won.
I don't really care. My game was broke. I pressed the button this time.
Okay, why does this girl have a... Get ready to push off people with their table? Aw. Haha, you suck. Oh, noob. Oh, noob. We're just flipping her over. Haha! You fell down.
It's kind of
so goddamn long.
it kind of reminds me of Donkey
You
Kong.
failed. You failed.
Oh, she jumped.
She flies. I think she still got... Why is it so damn long? You can't even, like, get anybody.
Yeah, like, it's so hard to...
I won. It's not like you won, too.
But I did win.
Ooh, trampoline.
Are you saying that I didn't win? I was a lot.
Oh, I did not even say that. Boing.
Sure, whatever you say, White Buzzy, whatever you say.
Jay's bald. Boing, boing. Only 3 players can make it. Oh, we can't make it now? What crap is this? I made it. Oh.
Ah.
Come over here for the money. Come over here if you want to win the money.
Wait, they stole Mario Kart 7 music. Ah. Keep joining to it. I should probably be more patient.
Don't actually use Sonic music like this. That looks like Sonic. Jay, why are you so tall?
Because I am tall.
I don't even know the sequence. I
Edie.
think it's this side? And then we go not here. We don't go there.
I'm gonna follow you.
Yeah, you could try. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fail. I don't think you go into there. I think that's what I am. Get a concussion. Where the hell do you go? I think we go this way. I'm probably gonna fail. Oh, it's the right way, isn't it? No, it isn't. Okay, I think we go... Yeah, we go here, I think. See? I made it. I'm professional. Yeah, we're on the balcony. Ow, ow, ow. Now we get to scream L at the other players.
Elbows.
L, Bozo, you fell off. Plus radio.
Yeah, I get to get noobs.
Hey, Luigi fans. L.
Hey, retro fans are.
R. What does that mean? Does that mean radio? Are you radioing my fan?
No, like your first letter of your name is R.
Hey, look behind you. What is this thing?
What the
What is
fuck?
that?
What the frick?
I don't like it.
Ah, the jumps are too small. Oh.
Ew, what is that thing? Ew, can we kill it? Why does her body look like that? Girl, you okay? She got skinny in all the wrong places.
My kid.
Cake is made delicious. Delicious.
My jump button's broken.
Your jump button is broken? What does that mean? What?
I reset myself. Alright, it's fine.
Oh, I won.
Nice. Oh yeah, the hat.
Looks like I moisturized though.
2, 4, 3, 4. 2, 4, 3, 4. 4.
3.
Got it. I'm great at this game.
I didn't even get it. I freaking messed up on the first one because I was just so confused.
Click. Go to the. I'm picking red. I don't know why, but I'm probably gonna die.
Yeah, no, I'm done.
Run to yellow. Yellow is key. Yellow is a lot.
Yeah, I knew I was gonna die. I just knew I was gonna die.
I know, I'm gonna die on blue, but I don't care. Hey, I survived, yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of Christmas BS is that?
I'm separating the bottom of the tree.
This is too easy.
It was pretty easy.
You just have to keep throwing them. This is simple.
But yeah, but sometimes when the tree just like runs out of space, it just like flings your ornaments. No way. I won!
I got 25. I'll take that.
I'm dying on the inside.
Game the done. Yeah. Yeah.
What was on the
In
2020? No, it's 2019.
yeah.
It's 2019 because I watched some YouTuber played it in 2019, so I knew it. Bonk 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 bonk. Die.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Good hit that even if it's not even a mole.
I better hit you.
Yay, animal abuse. Not even an animal.
I hit the thing.
Did I do it? Am I good? What is happening?
Is there like no golden ones?
Imagine. There's just some golden moles just chilling on at your backyard. It's like, what? Crystal clear!
Well, you have to hit them with the main part of the
This game
hammer.
is just like giving me the same. It's just giving us the same levels.
And maybe after this one, we'll probably end it here.
But yeah, this video is gonna get a little too long.
But not my fault that I never played Knock the Mole. I like to call it Knock the Mole.
Whack-a-mole.
Yeah, whack-a-mole,
Whack-a-mole.
knock-a-mole.
Better in my opinion.
Nah, knock-a-mole's better.
True. They should make that a game. They should make golden moles.
Yeah.
This game probably has not even been updated in like freaking just
In
3 years.
no 3 years. I mean 30 years.
I know that this game was not that trivia question with the 2019-2020 kind of thing. I know that was not made in 2020 or like 20. Jay just went off the cliff.
I won 2 times, and now we're going to end this video here, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon.
And eat
and also
Oreos and get diabetes.
Yeah, and also share the video as well, and make sure to check out Retro. I'll link him down below.
Yeah, I'm so beautiful. Not really.
And yeah, we'll see y'all later. Bye.